is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. I said I was going to do a scrappy quilt and I was going to cut some strips out, which I did do, and sew them together. I'm not sure I like it. I like all of them on their own, but together not sure of it. So I think these are just the blocks. I haven't sewn the rows together and sewn them together yet. They're just on one of my design walls, but I think this is going to be my first UFO quilt. Then again, I'm stopping at this amount. I might border it and then quilt it up and use it to do a lot of custom quilting, to get a lot of practice with my long arm. We'll see how I feel. But this is the curved log cabin. I've just sewn it all together and it's exactly the same layout that I had hung up, but it seems to have helped it no end. So I don't dislike it as much as I did before. In fact, it might be growing on me. But I'm going to have it as a lap quilt, figure out what I'm going to, because I've got quite a bit of fabric left over, because there is only 44 inches by 55 inches, I think. Yeah, something like that anyway. So I'll figure out what I'm going to do with it. But I'm going to put borders on it. But that's the point. Once you get it together, you might not particularly like it, but sewing it all together can help no end. Thank you. Bye.